In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 best business ideas for beginners to start. Now, the reason that this video is going to be super helpful is that starting an online business has changed drastically. Over the last couple of years, some things don't work and other things are just starting to work, and these are the ones that I'll be sharing with you today. Now, I promise we're about to get into this list, but the last thing I want to say is if there's anything you take away from this video, just let it be that whatever business you decide you want to start, just start on YouTube and use all of these business ideas that I'm about to share with you, and you can learn how to do this business and start making money online today, totally for free on YouTube. So there. When I first got started, I was just like you, learning everything on YouTube, stumbling through trial and error, trying to figure it all out on my own. It took me a while, but eventually I invested in an online course and an ebook, which completely changed the game for me. That's when everything started to click and I finally got on the right path. So here's the good news. You don't have to waste time making the same mistakes I did. I'm here to show you exactly how you're going to succeed step by step and start making real money with your online business. Whether you're just starting or you've hit a roadblock, you've got this. I'm here to guide you through it. What's going on, guys? I'm Lorna Recommend. Welcome back to my channel. Please do go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family to help your girl's channel grow. It's free and it helps this video reach other people who are like you, just getting started on their YouTube journey, making money online. So with that being said, let's get started with the first one. Number 1, this requires only a small amount of skill to start. So the idea is starting a local service business. You can start a real estate photography business. I just know how easy it would be for anyone to start a service business. Therefore, I'll put up a list with some great ideas that you should consider going into. You can, of course, pause this and you have a look over all these great ideas that you can brainstorm going forward. However, you can take what you're passionate about and something you are willing to learn more about, or something that you already know how to do, or people do ask your opinion or advice on, right? Right now, you can literally go from door to door, knocking on people's doors to put leaflets with your details on it to see if they would be interested in that particular service you're offering. If that service applies to businesses you can walk into, you can offer your services, or you can go to Google and look up all the people who would potentially be your buyers for your service and give them a call and just ask them if they would be interested in your service. And yes, I realise it can be a little intimidating to talk to people you've never met before and try to sell them your service. But if you have nothing else going on, the more you do this, the better you're going to get at this. And it's something that truly anyone can start. Now then, business idea number 2. With that being said, let's move on, which is called print on demand. And I know this is something that I've mentioned before, and I've taught about this in my other video, which I gave you so much more. But if you haven't heard of it before, basically, you can create design files that you think would be funny or people would want to buy or put their t-shirts on. So print on demand is one of those business models that you don't need much skill to get into. All you need to do is upload those to a print on demand website such as Printful, and it will be a virtual listing because nothing has been printed as yet. There's no inventory, there's no cost here. When customers like your design on a t-shirt, they can purchase it. On demand site will print it and ship it to the customer, and they'll handle all the customer service. You get the profit. There are free graphic design tools that you can use like Canva that you can, of course, customize to fit your particular need or niche. So then, on to business idea number 3. The next business idea that you should consider starting is a YouTube channel. Now, it's important when you start a YouTube channel that you should realize that there are 2 types of YouTube channels. There's entertainment channel and there's educational channels. So what I recommend you to do if you want to start a YouTube channel is to make it solely educational videos. But first, let me clarify the difference between entertainment and educational channels. Examples of entertainment channels are Mr. Beast style videos or vlog style videos or gossip controversial style videos. These are categorized in entertainment. On the other side of things, you have educational style videos, which can pretty much be summed up into how-to videos. People are coming to YouTube to watch educational videos and are wanting to learn how to do something. So then, there's a transfer of knowledge going on there. Now, with that being said, the reason why I recommend creating educational style videos is because YouTube pay you far more money for people who watch educational style videos. On YouTube, you can create videos on any niche or any topic you want and make more money. You truly don't have to do anything fancy here. There are people who are recording videos that are not even edited. They're filmed on their smartphone and their channels are doing extremely well and they make life-changing income. Now, the last thing I'll say about creating a YouTube channel that has educational videos is that you don't have to worry about selling anything. So if you're not comfortable selling or doing sales, you can just create these videos, transferring your knowledge and your skill, and YouTube is going to pay you in ad revenue, which is such a great opportunity for you to create videos and share what you already know with people. So, business idea number 4. So the next business idea is selling digital products. Now then, if you haven't heard of what a digital product is, a really good example is planners, journals, wedding invitations, or downloadable calendar. The simplest way of explaining it would be you creating a template of something that someone else could buy. They could download it and use it on their computer, or they could use it or print it out. Now then, although this business takes a little bit more skill because you have to learn how to create these digital products, however, once you have them created, you can then list them on marketplace like Etsy or Gumroad. So it's super passive and you can use integrations on Etsy. So when someone purchases your digital download, they can actually customize it to exactly how they want it and it's automatically delivered to them. This makes the whole business a lot more passive because you don't have to manually fulfill orders. Guys, as you're learning how to create and sell digital products, I've got something that will help take you to the next step. I recently put together a super easy to follow ebook called Create, Craft and Sell Your Own Digital Products. It's packed with everything you need to get started, and to make it even better, I'm giving away a free template with 54 digital products ideas you can use right away. So if you're serious about getting into the digital product game, this ebook is definitely for you. And I'll put my link in the description below. Okay, on to business idea number 5. And I'm bringing this to you and it's called affiliate marketing, which is something that I've gone over before. But for those who haven't heard of it now, if you haven't heard of affiliate marketing before, it's actually very simple. You partner with a company totally for free by joining their affiliate program. They will give you a unique affiliate link that you can share with other people. Then once you've shared that link with other people and they click on it and actually make a purchase, the company send you a commission basically as a thank you. I'm just going to try and give the best takeaways for this business. First of all, you're going to need some form of social media platform to create content online where you can put your affiliate link in. The most popular way to do this is in the last few years, people have been creating blog, website and writing text-based articles. So the blog space of doing affiliate marketing is artificial intelligence, which make it extremely easy to write full-length articles. So Google's having a hard time trying to figure out what was a real article written by someone and what was just written with artificial intelligence. Although you still could succeed by creating a blog website for affiliate marketing, personally, I think you should push towards creating a YouTube channel. It's important for you to know that you can create YouTube videos and you can do affiliate marketing in those videos. What's cool about this is that you get 2 for 1. You get paid by YouTube and you get paid to do affiliate marketing as well. And one last important thing to know about affiliate marketing is it's totally free to start. You never have to pay to join a company's affiliate program. Let's have a look at Amazon, which is the largest affiliate program out there. So if you have used or you like using Amazon products, then you can join their affiliate program totally for free. You can get affiliate links from Amazon to any products that you have used before, and you can start creating content about those products. When someone sees your content and they click on your unique referral link to Amazon, you will get a commission on whatever they have purchased. Guys, if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.